Abracadabra! Happy Halloween! What shall we twist today? Please welcome in clown action.
First, start by pumping up a white long balloon. Make 3 pinch twists for one of the hands. Leave a 10 cm bubble, and then make 2 pinch twists for the neck. Another 10 cm bubble, and 3 more pinch twists for the other hand. You can cut off the excess. Now pump up a 5-inch round balloon and tie a knot. Make sure the knot is as close to the tip as possible. Give it a squeeze to make sure the balloon is distributed. Then split it in half to make sure one side is round and one side is a bit longer. Now tie the round balloon to the long balloon you've just made in the middle. The round balloon will make both the head and the body for the ghost. To make the no sign, pump up a long red balloon. First, make a 30 cm bubble, 1 pinch twist, and another 30 cm bubble, then another pinch twist, and connect this part to make the outer circle. Then, use a 15 cm bubble to make the diagonal line. Slide the ghost's arm and head through one side of the circle, and the body and the other arm through the other half. With the remaining bits of the long red balloon, make a 15 cm bubble and tie it across the back. Now the twisting part is done, let's get to drawing. Using a black marker, give Mooglie some eyebrows, some cute eyes, a nose, and a spooky looking mouth. And now you're all done!
Whoa, I'm a Balloon Mooglie. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.